So, as you know, the left hand just keeps doing the same thing over and over and over. So that's one thing, what's one less thing for you to be worried about? You know, it just keeps doing this. So that should make you feel good, knowing that the left hand just keeps doing the same thing. The right hand kind of is doing the same thing over and over again. Also, it's playing the same scale, the same notes, just different amounts of notes. You know, so the first one, and with the left hand, we're actually measuring it. So, sorry, wait. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? The next one you don't keep track of. You don't have to count the exact amount. You're just gonna hopefully match these up. So left hand can be slower there. So watch when my left hand gets slower, okay? See? So again, counting the slower one. Now not counting, just not keeping track. That helps. Again, left hand just keeps doing the same thing. The right hand plays the same notes, just it depends how high it goes and how low it goes. So for that one where it's 35 notes, you just have to move your fingers faster and don't keep track. Try to have this hand doing its own thing, this hand doing its own thing, and somehow they will come together correctly. But let me show you one more time. Oops, sorry. And one more thing, another way to practice that scale is to do it in groups. So the first group is 4 notes, then the next one is 3. 4, 3, 4. So again. And then the same thing down. 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay, and then it should just get comfortable. Oops. I hope that helps, okay?